there, it's Ashley from WTI. I was looking for a sip spout for my YETI tumbler, and I found this from AIPENQ. It's really great. I love the top here. It easily opens with just your finger pressing down, and then it also closes. And it has a little tab there, so you don't actually have to touch the spout with your dirty hands. You can just simply close it like that. This is leak proof, and it's a great option if you are not wanting to unscrew the lid every time, because my YETI came with this lid here, which you probably have, and you have to, unscrew it, put it somewhere, hold on to it while you drink. And this is just so much easier to use on the go, or if you're at the gym. I find myself drinking more water because I have an easy way to access it. It comes with 2 straws that you can cut to size depending on the size of your tumbler. And then it also comes with 2 straw cleaners. So this is a really great option. It's high quality, it's durable. I like the handle on it as well. And I really like that it's a smooth opening. So if you are looking to change out the lid on your YETI tumbler, then I would highly recommend this one. There's a variety of colors. I went with black. I don't know why. I wish I would have picked a brighter color, but nevertheless, I think it's an awesome product, and that's my point of view.